Welcome to another session of IGMS Painters and Interior Designers. Today we're going to be showing you how to strip wallpaper. And we're going to be using the Wagner, or the Wagner as some people call it, Steam Force Plus. That's it. So before we get started, all you're going to need is a bucket of water, your wall scraper, and obviously your steamer. So a few tips. When removing wallpaper using a steamer, it is best to start at an entry point. This avoids you digging into the wallpaper and damaging the wall at various points. So when you start at a section, it's easier for you to remove the wallpaper once you've used the steamer to loosen the adhesive or the glue behind the wallpaper. Secondly, when using your wall scraper, it's also good to be gentle, because this avoids you damaging the wall as you're removing the wallpaper. As I cannot stress this enough, first things first, protection. As you can see, all around this has been protected with Corex. So we're actually in a multi-million pound building for a very, very exclusive client. And the last thing we want to do is damage any of their flooring or electrical equipment. So protection, protection, protection. If you haven't seen our Corex videos, please check our website as well. Check our YouTube channel where we have more videos on Corex and protecting floorings and carpets and so on and so forth. If this is the first time you're watching IGMS TV, please like, subscribe, share, and of course leave a comment. So without wasting your time anymore, let's jump right in.
How to remove wallpaper with a steamer.
Feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well.
And that's basically how to strip wallpaper, as easy as ABC. So I'm going to get back to work. You guys like the video, share, and I'll see you in the next how to video. It's IGMS Painters and Interior Designers.